Yeah, linkage isomerism, ionization isomerism, solvated isomerism, coordination isomerism. First, linkage isomerism. In structural isomerism, first one is linkage isomerism. Linkage isomerism means the complex compounds having same molecular formula, but the arrangement of ligands to the metal atom is in two different ways. Are the ligands which contains more than one donor atom, and the attached to the metal atom is in two ways. The compounds are called linkage isomers, like cyanide and isocyanide. Metal connected to the cyanide form. Here carbon donate electrons to the metal atom, and metal atom with isocyanide form. Here nitrogen donate lone pair of electrons to the metal atom. Next, metal atom with NO2 form, nitro form connected to metal atom, as well as nitrato form, like oxygen connected to metal atom. It is the linkage isomerism. Cyanide, carbon connected to the metal with same molecular formula, nitrogen connected to the metal atom. These are linkage isomers. Next, ionization isomerism. Ionization isomerism. In ionization isomerism, in the complex compounds which having same molecular formula, but when they are ionizable, they produces different ions. When they are ionizable means they are soluble in water, they ionize to give different ions in water. That complex compounds are called exhibit ionization isomerism. With same molecular formula produces different ions. That is ionization isomerism. Example. Like this form is ionization isomer with like cobalt with these two complex compounds are acts as a ionization isomers. Like in this first one is bromine is a counter ion, in second one sulfate is a counter ion. These two are exchanges, means these two are ionizable. In this first one, which is ionizable means here bromine is ionizable. From this sulfate is ionizable. But both the complex compounds molecular formula same. When it is dissolved in water, it is ionizable means bromine is ionizable. From this sulfate is ionizable. Next, solvated isomerism. Solvated isomerism is also called hydrated isomerism. The complex compound in which solvated isomerism is also called hydrated isomerism. The complex compound in which only water molecule is acts as a ligand, and these water molecules, number of water molecule ligands are differ from one complex compound to another complex compound, but molecular formula, overall molecular formula is same. That is solvated isomerism or hydrated isomerism. Example. Chromium with hexa aqua chromium chloride. It shows solvated isomerism or hydrated isomerism with chromium with two chlorines, water molecules 4 and 1 chlorine with 2 H2O. Okay, these two are called solvated or hydrated isomerism. Solvated isomerism is also called hydrated isomerism. Now hydrated isomerism or solvated isomerism, like these two complex compounds. Here hexaquachromium chloride is the complex it is. Here dichloro tetraaqua chromium chloride chlorido and water, it is the complex compound. Here water molecules are ligands and these are exchanges. Next, coordination isomerism. In coordination isomerism is obtained due to the mutual exchange of ligands between cationic complex compound and anionic complex compound. Okay, now the mutual exchange of ligands between cationic and anionic complex compounds are called coordination isomers. Just ligands are exchanges. Molecular formula, overall molecular formula is same. Like example, hexaamine cobalt, hexacyanochromium. Both are shows plus the charge. These are shows coordination isomerism when these are converted into cobalt with cyanide 6 3 plus and chromium with ammonia 6 3 plus. These are the complex compounds. These are coordination isomers with this. Okay, here complex compound, it is anionic, it is neutral. These two are ligands are exchanged from this cobalt to chromium like this. These are called coordination isomers. Coordination isomers. It is the structural isomerism. Now stereoisomerism. Stereoisomerism in complex compounds. Stereoisomerism in complex compounds is two types: geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism. Geometrical and optical isomerism. Complex compounds are exhibit geometrical isomerism in cis-trans isomerism and phase and mer isomerism. Phase and mer isomerism. In phase and mer isomerism as well as in cis-trans isomerism of complex compounds in stereoisomerism, MA2B2, MABCD and MA2BC type of complex compounds, square planar complex compounds with these structures or this molecular formula containing complex compounds are exhibit cis-trans isomerism. Cis-trans or exhibit geometrical isomerism. Okay, the complex compounds of square planar complex compounds, tetrahedral complex compounds are not exhibit geometrical isomerism. Only square planar and octahedral complex compounds are only exhibit stereoisomerism. Square planar and octahedral complex compounds are only exhibit. Here square planar complex compounds means metal with 4 ligands. The metal with 4 ligands containing compounds. Which compounds are exhibit stereoisomerism or in geometrical isomerism of square planar complex compounds are M. Metal with A2B2 type of complex compound. Metal with ABCD means 4 different ligands. Okay, now two different ligands or 2 different ligands or 4 different ligands or 2 same and 2 different ligands. In this condition, they exhibit square planar complex compounds are exhibit cis-trans isomerism. Like one example, platinum diamine dichloro. Now diamine dichloroplatinum is the given complex compound. It is exhibit like platinum with NH3 Cl NH3. From this you observe, from this chlorine and chlorine attached same ligands are adjacent, it is cis. If platinum with chlorine and amine, the 2 adjacent ligands, from your observe from here, the 2 ligands, adjacent ligands are different, it is trans. Now here instead of 2 different ligands, 4 different ligands are present, they are connected like this. With in case of 4 different ligands are present, that 4 different ligands are arranged in this adjacent or arranged like in alphabetical order, that is cis. If 4 different ligands are present, that is not present in a alphabetical order, the adjacent ligands are not in a alphabetical order, that is trans. Next, Ma to Bc also. AA adjacent, BC are adjacent cis. If AA are not in adjacent, that is becomes trans. If metal with A4, same metal connected to 4 same ligands, that is not exhibit. It is not exhibit stereoisomerism. Ma4, metal with A4 or metal with AB3 or metal with A3B. These type of complex compounds are not exhibit cis-trans isomerism. Next, in octahedral compounds, in square planar complex compounds. Now geometrical isomerism in octahedral complex compounds. Geometrical isomerism in octahedral complex compounds. In octahedral complex compounds with the structure like Ma2B4, octahedral complex compounds means the complex compounds in which 6 ligands are present. Okay, the complex compounds in which 6 ligands are present. In the complex compounds, metal with A2B4 type of complex compounds, metal with A3B3 type of complex compounds, metal with ABCDEF type of complex compounds, metal with A4B2 type of complex compounds, metal with A4BC type of complex compounds. These are exhibit octahedral. The complex compounds of octahedral complex compounds exhibit geometrical isomerism, and these are exhibit, do not exhibit complex compounds are, the complex compounds do not exhibit are like Ma6 or Ma5B type of complex compound or metal AB5 type of complex compounds do not exhibit octahedral. These are also octahedral, but these are not exhibit geometrical isomerism. One example for geometrical isomerism in octahedral complex compounds is like cobalt with tetraamine dichloride. In this, geometrical isomerism is in cis-trans isomerism form. In cis-I transform cobalt, if the two adjacent atoms are same, like here Cl2 is there, these Cl2, two chlorines are adjacent, that is cis isomer. Like it is the cis isomer. In trans isomer form, these chlorines are not in adjacent positions. It is trans isomer. It is cis isomer. Cis and trans isomers in octahedral complex compounds. Next, metal with A3B3 type of complex compounds are exhibit phase and mer isomerism. Phase and mer isomerism. Like example, cobalt with NH3 and NO3 Like in facial form, cobalt with NH3 and NH3, NO3 and NO3. These are, it is a phase. It is a phase. These three are same, it is phase isomer. In case of mer, cobalt with NH3, NO3, like NH3 is NO2, NO3. NO2, NO3. It is mer. Phase and mer isomers. These connected are same phase. These connected are different mer. It is a phase and mer isomers. Phase and mer isomers. Next, the complex compounds. Tetrahedral complex compounds. The complex compounds of tetrahedral are exhibit and octahedral complex compounds are exhibit optical isomerism. Optical isomerism. First, in tetrahedral complex compounds, optical isomerism present in tetrahedral and octahedral complex compounds. Like in tetrahedral complex compounds, it is the given complex compound. It is shows D and L forms. D and L forms. Here 4 different ligands are connected to the metal atom in tetrahedral complex compound. Hence it is exhibit D and L forms like zinc, NH3, chlorine, NO2, water, H2O. Here NO2 connected to the right side, it is D form. If same compound zinc with NH3, H2O, ClNO2. It is L form. The D and L forms. In tetrahedral complex compounds, optical isomerism. MABCD and MA2B2 type of complex compounds are exhibit optical isomerism of tetrahedral. In octahedral complex compounds, metal with A2, B2, C2 type of complex compound, metal with A3, B3 type of complex compounds are exhibit octahedral optical isomerism. And metal with A2, B2, CD is also exhibit octahedral isomerism of optical. Or metal with A2, B, C, D, E is also exhibit. These three complex compounds of octahedral complex compounds are exhibit optical isomerism. In metal with ene ligands, like that bidentate ligands are 3. It is also exhibit optical isomerism. Like cobalt with ene. Ene is a bidentate ligand, so it is exhibit like this form. Cobalt ene. It is +3 oxidation state. It is a dextro form. If it is taken mirror cobalt ene and ene, it is also +3 oxidation state. It is Leo form. Dextro and Leo forms are optical isomers. In octahedral complex compounds, these type of complex compounds are exhibit optical isomerism. And diene ligands. If ligands are bidentate ligands, that is connected to the metal atom in this form, these are also existing dextro and Leo forms. Like dextro means 2 ene ligand is connected to right side. From bottom ene is present in right side dextro form. The bottom ene is left side Leo forms. If in a complex compound center of symmetry is present, that complex compounds are not exhibit any stereoisomerism or structural isomerism, or even optical or any type of isomerism is absent in complex compounds with symmetry.